Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the Steam games not launching, and I will show you guys the effective solution to fix this problem, so make sure you watch this entire video. So first open up the game which has the problem, click on this gear icon, click on this properties and go to the installed files. And now here click on the verify integrity of game files, and now it will fixing the corrupted files or any missing files in your game, and this automatic function will fix your problem. And sometimes this does not fix your issue, so you need to just apply the next solution. So the next solution is you can go back to here again and just simply click on the browse option you are seeing on the top. So once you click on that, here you need to just select your game where it launches. Right click on your game, click on its properties and click on the compatibility, and now check this box of run the program as an administrator. So once you check this box, you need to just apply and then click on the OK and then launch the Steam, launch the game, and then see your problem is fixed or not. And if your problem still does not fix, then you can go with the next solution. Go to your Windows search and type the update, and now you can open the check for updates. Sometimes the missing Windows update will also cause these type of issues, so you need to just update your operating system to fix these problems. After you update it, just restart your PC and see your problem is fixed or not. And if your problem is still not fixed, then this is because you are missing drivers. Go to the Windows search, tap the device manager, open it, and here all you need to do is just update your graphic cards. Click on the display adapters and you will see your graphic card and just update it. After the update, you can see your problem is fixed or not. And if your problem still does not fix, then go to the Steam, click on the settings, and now here you need to go to your storage and click on the three dot option and click on the repair library. So this is the built-in function by the Steam, and it can fix your corrupted files or the missing files of your Steam or games, and then you can restart your Steam, restart your game, and see your problem is fixed or not. And I hope guys this solution fix your issue, and if yes, please don't forget to like the video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.